shot. You won the first 2 sets, lost the next two, going into the fifth set against a guy you've only beaten once before. What's going through your head as you start that final set?
Yeah, I knew even if I was leading 2-set love, I knew it was David Ferrer. You know, he's a big fighter, so for sure, I knew it was not over. And he played well in the starters in the third set. Fourth set I played well too, but he was a little bit better than me, so I knew I had to keep my serve in the fifth, and that's why what I did. He did a bad game at 3-2 for me. Then I was leading 4-2, and I knew I was so close to win this match, and I fight a lot to finish, especially at 5-3. I was a little bit nervous to go in semis in the US Open, but I managed to do it, and it's a big victory for me.
You've lost a lot of close 5-set matches in your career. What does it mean to you, this match and the last match against Ryan?
I think I lost it, but I won some too. So it's in the middle, you know. I don't want to say I lost all the time in the 5 sets, because I won against Roddick in a quarter in Wimbledon. So 2 days ago I won in 5 sets too. But it's true, I lost sometimes too. But yeah, it's always difficult for me when you are losing this kind of match, especially when you are winning 5-2 in the fifth. I really wanted to close that match to win, because it's Ferrer, it's center court in US Open, so it's a big chance for me to go in semi. So I knew in the fifth set it was a very important set for me.
Here in third row.
Richard, we don't know for sure who your semifinal opponent is, but if it is Rafa, your record on the Pro Tour is not so great. But can you talk about that?
Zero.
Nice.
Yeah.
But can you talk about the match you played when you were 13?
I saw on YouTube that video. Sometimes people are talking about this video, you know, when I played against him and against Rafa. There is on YouTube,
Okay.
and I can see I'm winning against him, so I don't believe it sometimes.
Can you talk about where that was? And
no, I didn't know him when I played him. You know, when I was 13 years old, and he was already fighting a lot, already running so much. And I remember I won maybe 6-4 in a third, and yeah, I told my father after he's a big fighter, so I didn't lie. I was true. In the future, we saw he's one of the biggest players in the world in the history. So for sure, I won that time at 13 years old. But since this match, I didn't.
So where was that? Do you know?
The match in Tarbes, Petits-As. It's one of the biggest tournaments for the young children under 14. But you know, it's good to win under 14, but it's better to win on a pro. And I didn't. But life is long. We are only 27 years old, him and me, so why not? We will see.
Your record against Ferrer wasn't so good either.
No.
But today, what was the difference?
Yeah. Especially I was losing 8-1 against him, so it's difficult. But I'm really happy to win against him, especially in 5 sets. Especially in a quarter in a center court, it's a big victory for me.
It's been some time since you've been to a semifinal.
Yeah, it's been 6 years. 6 years ago, I did a great match against Roddick, winning 8-6 in the fifth. Today I won in 5 sets too. So yeah, for sure it's one of my biggest victory.
Back here.
If you do
I'm
play,
sorry.
Okay, in that fifth set, it's very hard to put, Ferrer away, but you showed a level of maturity that, it seems that all the hard work you have been doing, a lot of fitness, and seems that pays off. Like, how was your confidence in that fifth set? Because, at certain times you were playing a little defensive, and how did you change to continue being aggressive?
Yeah, it's true. I think I worked a lot physically. I was a little bit tired after Raonic. We played 4 hours, 30 minutes, but I knew I could play another big match. I was feeling not so tired this morning, and for sure I knew I had to be aggressive. My backhand was working very good today. I think it was the key of the match, and I played a lot of down the line, and it worked very good. And yeah, for sure I played aggressive. I knew I had to serve well too, and I managed to do that 2 shots. And when I'm serving great and have this backhand, I think I can play well.
2 more in English. Right here.
if you play Rafa with the record you've had, how do you maintain confidence going into the match? And do you feel like you're playing at your highest level you've played in recent years?
Yeah, I think it's very difficult to play against Rafa. I'm not the only one to lose, to have this record, but it's very difficult because yeah, it's powerful, especially with the forehand. But yeah, I know I'm in semis in US Open. I want to do the best I can do, and yeah, I will try to go on this match to win. If not, don't go on the court. But I know it is the favorite of the match. Nobody will say I'm the favorite, but yeah, I want to play a big match.
And do you feel like you're playing at the best you've played in the last few years?
Yeah, I'm playing very good. I mean, in semis in US Open, so for sure I'm playing my best tennis to win. Raonic and Ferrer in the 5 sets, you need to play your best tennis.
Last question in English, over there.
Yes. Hi, Richard.
Hi.
This is the second 5-setters in a row. How are you holding up physically? How are you feeling right now?
I'm now for sure a little bit tired. But I have 2 days to recover. I'm playing Saturday, so that's make a big difference for me. I think Saturday I will be fresh, but yeah, especially it was a little bit. This was difficult because with Raonic we played a big match, but today was the same. And, I managed to fight in the fifth, and so it's a big victory for me.